What steamed ham?
Or I made it, despite
Steamed ham. God, steamed ham. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable steamed ham luncheon.
Yeah.
Oh, you gods! Steamed hams. Toast is ruined. But what if I were to put steamed hams? Food and disguise it as my steamed hams. Delightfully double-edged steamed hams. Steamed hams.
With his crazy explanation.
Steamed hams.
It's gonna need
Steamed hams.
when you hear
Steamed hams.
slave exaggerations. They'll be drunk
Steamed hams.
tonight.
Steamed hams. Steamed hams. And I was just stretching. Steamed hams. Steamed hams. Windowsill. I get it. Steamed ham. Join me.
Why, it's
Steamed hams. Steamed hams. Oh, that is steamed hams. Smoke. It's steamed hams. Steamed for steamed hams. Steamed hams. It's steamed hams. And I hope you're ready for mouth-watering steamed hams.
I thought we were having
Steamed hams. No, I said Aurora Borealis. That's what I steamed hams.
You call it
Steamed hams. Aurora Borealis? Yes, it's a regional dialect. Steamed hams. Steamed hams.
Really? Well, I'm
Steamed hams.
good. I've never heard anyone use the phrase.
Aurora Borealis? Oh, not steamed hams. No, it's steamed hams, the expression.
I see.
It's steamed hams.
Quite similar to the ones they had.
Steamed hams. Oh, no. Bad steamed hams. Old, fat steamed hams.
For
Aurora Borealis? Yes.
yes, and you call
Aurora Borealis?
despite the fact they are obviously grilled.
You know, one thing I should... Excuse me for 1 second.
Of course.
Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped.
Yes, I should be. Good
Steamed hams.
Lord, what is happening in there?
Steamed hams. Steamed hams.
At this time
Steamed hams.
here, at this time of
Steamed hams.
in this part of
Steamed hams.
localized entirely within your.
Steamed hams. Yes.
That's it?
No. Steamed hams. Steamed hams.
House is on fire!
No, steamed hams. It's just steamed hams. It's steamed hams.
Oh, you are an up, but I must say, you steam it.
Steamed hams.